Hello students, how are you? Today I am here with one question, the correct order of acidity of this following compound A, B and C. So how will we explain the acidity of this compound? The acidity can be explained in terms of the stability of conjugate base. Again I am telling the acidity can be explained in terms of the stability of conjugate base. So first, what is conjugate base? Conjugate base. Generally, an acid which we can represent as Ha is in equilibrium with its conjugate base, that is A minus plus H plus. An acid gives H plus in aqueous solution and A minus, that is an anion. It is called the conjugate base of this acid. If the stability of this conjugate base is higher, then the equilibrium will shift towards right. That means higher will be the concentration of H plus and higher will be the acidity of this acid. So first we will draw the dissociation of this following compound into their conjugate base. For this compound A, here one H plus is there, plus H plus. So this is the conjugate base of this acid. Next we will come to this compound. If we see the equilibrium, then it will be dissociate like this. A negative charge will be here also there will be a negative charge, and the third compound is this. Two hydrogen is there. This is the conjugate base. Conjugate base of A, conjugate base of B, conjugate base of C. So if we compare the stability of these three conjugate base, then we can tell the acidity of this compound. Now we can see here that in these two compound there is 4n plus 2 number of pi electron, that is 6 number of pi electron is in conjugated system and the system is planar. So these two anions are aromatic. The conditions of aromaticity are: first, the 4n plus 2 number of pi electrons will be there, the system will be planar, and third will be it must be conjugated. So these three conditions satisfied by these two anions. So these two anions are aromatic and are highly stable, whereas the conjugate base of C, it has 4 electrons. So it has 4n pi electron. 4n pi electrons means it is satisfying the conditions of anti-aromaticity, that is it is anti-aromatic compound. This is the condition for aromatic compound, and this is the anti-aromatic. Anti-aromatic, 4n number of pi electron will be there, it will be planar, and conjugated. So this is anti-aromatic and these two anion are aromatic, and anti-aromatic compound are highly unstable than aromatic compound. So the stability of conjugate base of C is very less than these two. Now if we compare the stability of these two anion, then we can see here that 5 CF3 group are attached to this carbon anion, and here 5 CH3 group are there. Now CF3 has minus I effect, strong minus I effect due to high electronegativity of fluorine, and CH3 group has plus I effect, that is it will drift the electron towards the sigma bond and it will increase the negative charge actually, so it will destabilize the negative charge. So between these two anion we can say that this anion has higher stability than this. So the stability order of conjugate base conjugate base A has higher stability than conjugate base B, which has higher stability than conjugate base C. So if we know that higher the stability of conjugate base, higher will be the acidity, because the equilibrium will shift towards right and higher will be the H plus ion concentration, so the acidity will be higher. So the acidity trend will be acidity order is A greater than B greater than C. This compound is highly acidic, then it will be lesser, it will be far lesser than these two. So students, we can explain the acidity order in this way. If you have any doubt regarding this question, please let me know in comment box. Thank you. Have a good day.